we're at my newest listing at 1825 Hillman Avenue in Belmont. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with amazing bay views. And I can't wait to show you inside. This is a home you definitely don't want to miss. Let's go inside.
Hi, Barry.
Hi, Vanessa. Can't wait to see the magic that you've worked here.
Okay, let's see.
Wow. My clients bought it here in about 7 years ago, and they completely remodeled this room so that, with the bamboo flooring, completely open concept, great room, obviously new kitchen, but it also, you just look at the views and you get the wow factor right out of the blocks.
Yeah, I love this home. It has that total mid-century modern feel. All the finishes they have and the furniture we brought in to, keep with the mid-century modern look.
Yeah, you've done it. And, they extended the deck so you got even more view of the bay. But again, this is a great room for entertaining.
Now take a look at this, Barry. I really like their kitchen. Their backsplash is just so unique. I think these are glass, and it's got the blue underneath, so it's a really cool backsplash and soft close.
No, they spared no expense to remodel them.
Now take a look at this island over here, like with storage on this side. I love when islands have storage. And look, it's all sectioned off too. This is pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So take a look at the rest.
Yeah, so here we're going into their family room, which is really good size, and you have access to the deck from this room as well.
We sectioned it off to 2 different functions. One here is the sitting area where you can watch TV, and you can have a cool home office. So the room was long, and we wanted to just show the 2 different spaces.
It was great that you were able to utilize some of the furniture they had from their house.
Exactly.
Really helpful.
And that was the most challenging thing, is actually being able to work with their pieces
and
making sure we have the right pieces to work with them.
Exactly. Cool.
So take a look at the other rooms.
Yeah, so all the bedrooms are downstairs, all 4 of them.
Take a look at these cool lights. I mean, this is a cool, fun pendant, and I believe this piece is original. It's very much in theme with the mid-century modern style of the home. Right,
and they're originally from Australia, and whether or not they're using, that's a boomerang. Let's go to the master suite.
Okay.
Again, you feel like you're kind of in a tree house here. It's very tranquil.
Absolutely, and you also get a view, an amazing view.
And you also have access to the deck from this room as well.
It's very airy and spacious, even though it's on the bottom floor, but it doesn't feel like it's a basement or anything like that.
Exactly, and it's not that far down. Like some of these homes that have major views, you have to feel like you have to go down like 100 feet. This isn't that bad.
Got it, so easy access to food.
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
Remember before, their bed was over here.
Exactly.
So, and they had accent chairs over here.
Right.
But we felt that, when you're walking in, I didn't want to have a bed going that way. Mm-hmm. We wanted new buyers to be able to enjoy the view.
Yes.
When they wake up.
Exactly. So then we have conveniently located their little laundry room, and it's next to be the kids' bathroom, if you will. And then there's 3 other bedrooms. You've got 3 kids, everybody gets a room.
This one is located right next to the master bedroom. We can envision like a teenager in here, or a guest bedroom.
Probably guest. A teenager you probably want farther away from your...
And this is my favorite room, even though I normally tell people to neutralize the wall, but it's very much in theme with the rest of the house, the mid-century modern theme, so I had them keep the accent green wall. They already knew their style, and so then we brought in pieces to work with the wall. Mm-hmm. Going down the end of the hallway, there used to be a king-size bed in here.
Right, and this bedroom is a little bit bigger than the other 2.
Yeah, so we were able to fit in 2 twins.
Yeah.
See the fun guy sitting perched on the desk?
I know.
It's fun. And they get an amazing view looking out. And I was pointing out the lamp here. This one is a lantern. So it's a simple lantern, but I don't know if it was them that had cut out round circles from a map and then layered it over the lantern. But I find it to be so clever.
I need to show you outside. This is where you get the $1 million view. And all the outdoor furniture, they just painted them, and it looks really chic and definitely goes with this home.
It's fun. I see fun colors throughout this.
Yeah, the blue.
Take a look at this. Yeah. What were they before? They were a turquoisey blue, and they were a little bit old and rusty, and the sellers thought maybe to get rid of them, but I said, why? Spray paint them. And so sure enough, they spray painted to this actually vibrant blue, and I love it. What a fun place to sit and eat here, and you have the bypass window here, and you get food delivered to you.
Yep, you can be sitting outside and just enjoying the view.
Who needs Uber Eats when we have this?
Exactly.